Okay, so I went ahead and added salt. So now I'm gonna pour just a little bit of olive oil. This olive oil is good. Love it, this brand. Okay, so I am gonna use a little bit of Lorry's seasoned salt. And this one is the 25% less sodium. I'm gonna use some complete seasoning, some smoked paprika, I love the flavor from the smoked paprika. I'm gonna use some all-purpose and crushed pimento seeds. So now I'm gonna rub the spices all over the pigtail. And this is the fresh pigtail. This is not the salted pigtail. So I'm using some fresh herbs. I'm using red sweet peppers, few slices, onion, hot peppers, scallion, garlic, ginger. This is the ginger. So I'm gonna pour just a little bit of olive oil all over the seasoning. This is pretty much optional. But I like when the seasoning infused with the olive oil. Yeah. Alright, so I'm gonna bake the pigtail into this container. Right, so I'm gonna just put the pigtail into the container. Cover the container and allow it to marinate in the fridge for like 4 hours. After 4 hours, I'm gonna bake the pork covered in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for like less than 2 hours, a little less than 2 hours. So now I'm gonna quickly make homemade barbecue sauce. I added ketchup, then some brown sugar, and then soy sauce. Then I added red wine vinegar. Then I give it a good stir. And of course, it seems as if it needs a little bit more soy sauce because I need it to be a little more darker in color. So I added just a little bit more soy sauce. Then I'm gonna add some cayenne pepper, and then I'm gonna add some ginger powder, give it a good stir. Then I'm gonna put it on low heat to simmer for like 2 4 minutes, and then I am gonna remove it from heat, cover it, and set it aside until I'm ready to use it. And this is my homemade barbecue sauce. Tastes so much better than the one purchased in the supermarket. It takes a little less than 2 hours for the pigtail to fully cooked. It smells so delicious and it tastes even more delicious. As you can see, a fork inserted into the pigtail easily, so it is fully cooked. And you can see the gravy as well. I'm gonna allow it to thicken up some more. It is so nice. So I am only barbecuing just a few pieces of the pigtail. So now I am dipping only a few pieces of the pigtail into my homemade barbecue sauce that tastes so delicious. Then I'm gonna put them into a container. I'm gonna put the stove on boil and put it in the oven to boil for 7 minutes. If you do not have that feature on your stove, no worry, no fret, just return it to the oven and let it stay in there for like 7 minutes or until the sauce gets sticky on the pigtail. Yes, so like I said, I did not barbecue the entire pigtail, just a few pieces. This is barbecue pigtail my way. It is so delicious and nice and well seasoned to the bone. So we are having like a cold front. It is gray outside and windy. Thanks for watching.